So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see this is search button, and then enter your model number B560M DS3H. Then click on this, then click on support. Then select your operating system, and both operating system installations process same. So first chipset, serial chipset driver, and click to download. Open it and just open and double click to launch, and this is setup. Then click to yes, then next to finished. Land and click to download. Then open it, double click X, and then click yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete means this is installed. So automatically close means this is installed. VGA. So VGA and click to download. Then open after download, double click X, and then click to yes. Now this is installing. And this is closed and this is installed. Then restart your system.